If you would like to provide a student with overall feedback on their discussion thread, you'll need to head to the evaluation area of that discussion topic. To do so, you can head over to the Discussions tool and then find the discussion topic you wish to begin evaluating. Now that we're in this discussion topic, we can see our students' response to it. To begin evaluating their threads, click the downward-facing arrow next to the student's thread name. And then select Assess Student. Here, in the evaluation area, you can read the student's submission over to the left of the screen, and towards the right, you can type in an overall grade, and below that, you can type out your overall feedback to the student. Once you've finished typing out your grade and feedback, you can then either select the Publish button to release this information to the student, or you can hit the Save Draft button so it can be released to a student at a later time. Please note, you can get to the evaluation area of a discussion topic through different areas as well. For example, one area you could go to would be the Quick Eval tool. Thank you for watching. For more information on Brightspace, please subscribe to our channel.